Enjoy the good times, let your spirit shine. Every moment's precious, make them all divine. Share your joy with others, watch it multiply. Keep your dreams alive, reach up to the sky. Enjoy the good times, let your spirit shine. Every little boy shines, take that all the light. Wake up each morning with a smile on your face. Take on the world at your own special pace. Life is a journey with ups and downs to see, but positivity is the perfect key. Spread your good vibes wherever you need go, 'cause happy souls are the best ones to know. When dark clouds gather, just remember this truth. The storm will pass, bringing skies bright and blue. Enjoy the good times, let your spirit shine. Every moment's precious, make them all divine. Share your joy with others, watch it multiply. Keep your dreams alive, reach up to the sky. So shoot for wise, dance the rain and sun. Cherish every second, best has just begun. Set your goals high and chase them every day. Wherever all the success, there's always a way. Small steps forward, still move towards your dreams.
The fireworks just finished and it's raining really bad. It's pouring, not raining. Oh my god. So, Happy New Year everyone.